Hello there, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. I welcome all my subscribers and returning. Thank you so much. Now let's finish our jacket. Okay, let's finish our jacket today. I've pinned the facing to it. See? I pin the facing. But before you do that, make sure you clip at the corners and open your shoulder seam and press it open. Okay? Because last week I walked you through all that already. Okay? And then press your seam up towards the collar. Okay? And let me adjust myself. I go to the machine and I'll stitch the facing and I'll do the button. Okay, because it's a lace fabric, I had to put interfacing under so that the buttonhole will go very smoothly. Now I have my buttonhole attachment. Everybody's machine is different, so check your own manual and then go by it. Okay, but today I'm going to walk you through my buttonhole. Okay, so one thing at a time. And as I said before, I'm not hemming because I have the scalp. Okay, so see you in a bit. Hold on. Thank you. Hello there. Okay, let's start sewing. And it's 5/8. And I'm going to join the okay, one more stitch before I can turn it. That's better. Let me see the time. Don't forget to clip out the corners. As I said, today I'm following the this particular jacket. I'm following the instruction sheet. One more stitch. There, that's better. And match all your seams at the corner, at the shoulder, and at the center back. stitch. Okay, I've joined all the facing. I'm gonna clip the neck, flip it over to the wrong side, iron it, and I'll be back. And I'll join the sleeves and all that. That way you don't have to watch me do it, okay? So I'll join the sleeves with it and I'll be back. See you in a bit. Hello there, I'm back. The sleeves is done. Now I'm gonna do the buttonhole one with you, and I'm gonna come off, finish it, and I'll show it to you. Oh, I forgot to show you. I have the interfacing at the bottom, okay? Because of it's a lace fabric. This is it. Let me get it under, then I'll be back. Okay, I finally got it under. Okay, so here we go. There we go. Okay, it's better for you to see it at the bottom than the top. It's hard to see. So I'll finish it and I'll be back. Hold on. Hello there. Okay, now the jacket is all done. Just the handwork inside. Okay, it's all done. Sleeves and everything is done. And then the button, I'm gonna trim all these off. It's hard to see it on a lace fabric. So, okay, and then I'll put the buttons on and we're done. So we're done with this. Now I'm thinking of us making a 90. Okay, a 90. Can either do the male or the female, either one. It's a New Look 6416. New Look 6416 from size extra small to extra large. And then after that, also I'm thinking of us making something for the men of the house, for men's shirt and also a boy's shirt. Okay, there. And this is Simplicity 4760. Simplicity 4760. 4760, and the size is PG/PTG. Okay, that's Europe. Size small to large, small to extra large. Okay, or it could be any men's shirt or boys shirt. It doesn't have to be exactly this pattern. The same here too. Okay, so 6416, and this is 4760, simplicity, and this is new look. So we are done with this. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now. Thank you.